Hey guys, welcome back to the 𝗿𝗲𝗰𝘁𝘀𝗀 channel.
Today we're going to make one of our family's favourite refined sugar-free coconut oil chocolate.
It's going to be super fun, it's a pretty easy recipe, and we hope you guys all enjoy it. So, let's get started. Okay, so what do we do first, sweetie?
We have some coconut oil. We're just going to pop that in there and then whisk in our
coconut oil.
Cocoa. Now you can do it with runny coconut oil. It's just, I find it's just easier to work with coconut oil that's not too runny.
And then do we add our coconut?
Cocoa.
We added the coconut. Do we add our cocoa?
Yes, we do.
Similar words.
Add the cocoa in.
Okay.
And then give it a good old mix with a spatula first so it doesn't poof everywhere, and then
so we'll
give it a whisk.
We'll just fold it in with the, that's a technical term.
Fancy terminology. Fold it in. That helps, sweetheart?
Yeah.
Or maybe Daddy can let you whisk it in a minute.
I came down here and I had one little plate and I wanted to help it.
Okay. Right. So the recipe for this will be in the description below, so you can check that out for all the quantities.
Although, disclaimer, it is a little bit of one of those recipes you just have to grab a feel for it. So if you think it needs more cocoa, you add more cocoa. If you think it needs more coconut oil, you add more cocoa. That's perfect. Now we're just going to grab the honey. A spoon.
Where's the honey? Here's my honey.
Makes the chocolate go down. Okay, now, how much honey you put in totally depends on whether you are a sweet tooth or not. I'm just going to go with one oversized tablespoon.
Oh, I'm going to add a bit of salt.
My sweetie pie, you do the salt for your mummy? Or for mummy? That's it.
Oh, Mummy's big helper.
Well done, I think that's about it. Don't want too salty.
As you can see, there's a little bit of texture to it. That's because our honey is crystallized.
But we don't want to lose the
goodness. As you can see here.
Yeah, we don't want to lose the goodness in the honey trying to heat it up. Alright, so we're sort of making a chocolate bar today. You can do this chocolate in molds, you can do it in bark, you can do it in just about any way you want really. And this recipe is really versatile too because you could add coconut or crushed nuts or rummed raisins or anything like that. There we go, got that all spread out. Let's go chuck it in the outside freezer.
Just going to stick it in the outside freezer. Have you got the cover for it?
Here we go.
Thank you. Cover it up.
Siberian freezer.
All done.
It's the, what do you call it, the chocolate instant maker.
Well, there you have it. A super fun, easy, healthy, homemade chocolate that anybody can make.
It's super delicious and we know you're going to like it.
So if you do make this recipe, don't forget to let us know using the hashtag 𝗿𝗲𝗰𝘁𝘀𝗀 on Instagram. And yeah, we'd really like to see you all using this recipe. If you like this kind of 𝗿𝗲𝗰𝘁𝘀𝗀 kitchen episode, then let us know down in the comments and we'll see if we can keep it coming. So yeah, other than that, take care. Until next time, bye-bye. Cover. Good. No, well, let's get rid of that. Take it inside. Almost tastes a little bit like a coconut rough. Just got a little bit of that texture to it. And if you put hundreds and thousands on it. Got back. Anyway, I'm gonna stick this in there. Break it up, stick it in a container, and go in the freezer. So good. This is not gonna last long.